Hey guys, I'm doing a video this morning to show you this baking mix, all-purpose baking mix by Loretta. Isn't that an odd name? But it has 10 recipes on the back of the box. It's a baking mix. You preheat your oven to 450, and then you pour this baking mix into a bowl, which I did, and you add 1 3/4 cups baking mix, or that can be one, or you can do the whole thing like I'm doing right now, the whole package. And I added water until it got to consistency I wanted to make biscuits. They take 8 to 10 minutes. I didn't even have to use flour. So I'll bring you back and let you see what it's like in a little bit. Okay guys, now I'm making my eggs. We can always reheat these after we get our gravy done. Let's separate them. Add a little more oil to the pan. I think I need new spatulas. Those get done, I'm going to bring you back, show you the gravy. So you can use, you put like 1/4 cup of oil. And I'm going to see if I can do this with, it might not even take a cup of oil. This is about the consistency you get the gravy with. And I did it with pan drippings from the eggs. Yeah, so let that dough rise a little bit. It's better. So let's add a little salt. You can add salt anytime. You probably didn't. You missed it when I dropped my spoon on the floor. Isn't that crazy? But you gotta move on and do what you can do. But I think this is gonna help a lot of people learn how to cook for their families. So this is about the consistency we want. I added a little salt, maybe a teaspoon of salt. You might want to add more if you like it with more salt. Maybe 2 teaspoons. And that's it. It's done.